Hello, this is Michael Ensor with Advertising Report Card, and this video is a part of the Go High Level series. So this is for logic thinking in general when you're trying to put leads into a system from different sources, how to make sure if they already exist in the system or not. You don't want to double up on campaigns, you don't want to create multiple opportunities, you don't want to accidentally spam your new leads. So in this example, we're going to focus on how to filter by new lead or existing contact. The recipe is for Google My Business. So if anybody messages the Google My Business page, this is what this automation is meant to do, is to send that person a message and to interact with them in the type of frequency that you would expect a person to. So with that being said, first things first, what if that person who messaged us through our Google My Business page is already a contact? You don't want to create a new lead for them because they already exist in your system. So in this filter, what I have is tag lead. So what lead is it doesn't matter if you're a Facebook lead, Google lead, old lead, new lead. In addition to whatever status you are, all of my contacts get this same status because it's a common denominator. The reason why this is an issue is if you try to create a filter, you're limited to these four options: contact details, reply, date, time, and workflow trigger. So if I select contact details and I want to make sure that anybody who's in the system is going to be put into this bucket, easiest thing to do is just create a tag that every single person gets. So I'm going to go select lead. As you can see, there's lead and new lead. The reason why I do a lead again, just to repeat, is so that everybody in the system has this tag no matter what. So I can use this as a common denominator for people who already are in the CRM. So now anytime anybody messages me through Google My Business, if they are a new contact, yes, they're going to move into the next bucket. If they are a contact already in the system, then this automation is going to stop. Again, the reason being is that if somebody messages us and there's already an ongoing conversation, you don't want to start a new conversation with them like you've never spoken to them before, because then it comes off as robotic. If you see somebody in your system that you're already working with and they message you through Google My Business, that should be a different process that you're trying to intake this lead about, because if you already have somebody in your system and they're messaging you through Google My Business, it's kind of odd. So you have to look at the context too as to how people are coming in and trying to communicate with you and filtering them properly. If you have any questions, please let me know.